including the reserves already. So makikita po natin the base kung number of capacity lang, number of megawatts, nandun po, meron po tayong sufficienting capacity. Kaya lang po, may mga problema na wala po sa sistema, yung mga planta. Per our initial analysis of available data however, we saw some abnormalities and so we issued corresponding letters demanding explanation from these power generation companies, doon po sa mga nag-derated. Under the must offer rule, all power generation companies are mandated to make available their maximum generating capacity to prevent capacity withholding by the power plants. If we determine that indeed there was a violation committed by these power plants, we shall strongly proceed against them as provided by law. Moreover, the lack of adequate contracted reserves further aggravated the situation. Doon po nagkaroon ng automatic load drops. Ano po ba naging cause ng automatic load drops is because of lack of ancillary reserves. Mr. Chairman, as early as January 2017, we have started communicating with NGCP to address the reserve requirements of the grid. Unfortunately, up to now, more than 4 years, this remain a major problem. Ito pong problemang ito, naging talagang pong napakabigat na hinarap namin since 2017. We are demanding that this NGCP to comply in their concession agreement by contracting the required reserves. But yun pong aming panawagan, hindi po narinig ng publiko, hindi po pinakinggan. At kaya po maganda tayo nag-uusap ngayon para po malaman natin kung ano po talaga ang katotohanan. It has been frustrating. However, at least now we again have an opportunity to talk about this. Hopefully this time, the Senate would appreciate what the DOE has been talking about all these years. Firm contracted reserves are necessary. Why? It is number one, it is intended to provide.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.